Hello there. Good morning. Today we're tasting a blonde roast. It's from Starbucks. It's Veranda. So as you can see, it's a Arabic 100% blonde roast coffee. You might be asking yourself, why is such a manly man drinking a blonde roast coffee? Well, I accidentally bought this and I feel obligated to drink it. So therefore, I'm drinking it, and I'm hopefully going to be through it soon, and can get back to some real good dark roasts. So anyway, let's get on with the tasting. Mm, on the nose, I get definitely get some kind of toffee honey notes on the nose. It doesn't have a real strong you know acidic nose on it like some coffees. Um, And so let's give it a taste, see how it is. Mm. You know, as long as you grind enough beans and a decently fine enough grind and steep it long enough, it actually is really pretty tasty. It's not a there's not a lot of bitterness or backside to the coffee. It's definitely the palate's all up front, and it's very mild in its flavor. I get some kind of almond butter notes to it. I'd describe it as kind of a light buttery almond, like if you had an almond and you smashed it into little pieces with your fingers and just dripped one drop of extract out and put it on a little bit of butter and you ate it. That's kind of a similar flavor to what you would have here. Um, Yeah, really easy to drink. Really easy to drink. Definitely when I think of coffee, I think of it's probably due to my large intake of gas station coffee in my younger years that I really like as it travels over the palate. I like it when it develops and then leaves kind of a real heavy, strong flavor that you can taste. Whereas this one, the flavor is all up on the front of your tongue, so you don't get a lot on the backside, which makes a real smooth drink. Not, like I said, not very acidic at all. Real nice, mild coffee. I would definitely pay attention to the type of water you use when you're brewing this. Gas station coffee um, is no comparison to this, but I'd say it's a pretty good cup of coffee. I would probably rank it on my coffee list. I would rank it on flavor and quality. There, I'd probably give it a say 2.5 stars. You really have to brew this one right. You can't do it with too much water, and you gotta make sure the water really steeps. To get all of that flavor of the coffee. With the blonde roast, you gotta really pull the flavor out of the bean. And so, in order to do that, you may need to take your typical coarse grind for your French press and maybe make it a little more fine than you normally would, just to really get all that flavor out of there. Presentation, it's Starbucks, and so Starbucks is Starbucks, and yeah, there's really nothing too exciting about that. I know a lot of you coffee snobs out there might actually disagree with me and wish I didn't do a review on a Starbucks coffee, but it's what I had in my pantry, and it's what I'm drinking today. So enjoy.